And I'm his dad.
And then that train!
Yay!
Easter 2.0.
Easter 2.0. Well, the problem was we had a couple peeps that wouldn't come in the mail because of mailing changes during the COVID thing. So we finally got some, and we've got a delicious Peeps pancakes and syrup and Peeps hot tamales.
And also we've got some dog cookies.
Dog cookies? Where did those come from?
I don't know, I just brought them in from the dogs.
From the dogs. Well, maybe they came from Aunt Sandy in California.
Maybe.
So these are from Three Dog Bakery, and they're cookies that look just like the Oreo type cookies, but they're made with ingredients especially for dogs. And we're gonna give it a go and see if they can still be eaten by people too. But they won't have chocolate; they'll have carob instead.
Okay.
All right.
Wait,
so
what? You said.
Okay, what should we try first?
Pancakes and syrup.
I think so. I've been looking forward to these pancakes and syrup as soon as I heard about them.
Good thing you didn't smash the peep. I'll have this one.
Oh, they smell amazing.
Wait, I can't really smell right now. Oh, they do smell pancake and syrup.
Yeah, very mapley, and it's nice and light brown all the way through, so it doesn't look like it's just a coating. So, ready? You got stuck on a peep face.
I need to tie it off.
Mine's looking at me. Help me! Help me! All right, well, these do taste a little bit mapley. They're it just tastes mostly like maple. It doesn't taste like the cakey pancake feel. But what do you think?
More maple syrup than pancake. I'm not getting any pancake.
They should have just called them syrup, but maybe people wouldn't know about that. Pancakes and syrup. Really good
Pancake
stuff.
and syrup. I'm syrup.
Okay, next we've got hot tamales.
Hot tamale, hot tamale, hot tamale.
Now these are red, red, red. What do you think the middle's going to be?
Red.
Meh, meh. Pink. I've got a peep eye stuck on my finger. Okay, here you go. It's my peep's eye. Peep down. Peep down. Ready?
It's a zombie. What? You forgot to. No. Oh.
It smells a little cinnamony. It does have the flavor of hot tamales, but like if you let hot tamales sit in a cup of water and you just kind of drink the water afterwards, it's really light, not really punchy,
I wish it was
not
more,
really hot.
I wish it was more hot.
Yeah, it doesn't really taste like hot anything, but it does taste cinnamony. And the flavor is just like hot tamales, but not good enough. Sorry. Sorry, peeps. You gave it a try. All right. Three Dog Bakery.
Dog cookies.
We've got carob and peanut butter flavors. Mmm. This is the carob. It's going to be replacing the chocolate. Oh boy. Okay, ready?
Three.
2.
Definitely tastes dog cookies. And that reminds me of the time that I actually ate a dog cookie. Yeah.
Okay, what do you think?
It is peanut buttery.
Sweeties, what do you think of this cookie?
Maybe she'll come up.
Maybe. Come here, Wheaties. Come here, Wheaties, up.
I know.
You gotta turn around. Come on. There's one.
One.
Kick says yummy. Come up here and get a cookie.
I can't.
Oh well.
Well, at least you saw Kicks.
Yeah, they do. They think it's delicious, but they don't want to be on the show today.
And also, we have
right.
both Star Wars cups.
Star Wars cup. Oh, this one's up to the Peeps now. Jeez, I'm ready to try the next one. We're taking too long.
Mhm. I didn't get the real taste.
This is golden and vanilla flavor. Wait, you just ate all of it. Okay, let me see what Kix thinks. Ready? Oh dear, sorry, baby. Okay, there's more for you down there.
I really like these.
Huh? You like?
Dog.
Wheaties does not want to be on the show today, but she says they're pretty great. I liked the carob and peanut butter much better than the golden and vanilla flavor. Kix likes the golden and vanilla flavor better. Wheaties likes the peanut butter flavor better. I don't know. What do you think? What was your favorite?
Against Kylo Ren and Darth Vader, I think they're pretty good.
How about Cookie Wet?
Pretty good.
Pretty good. All right, well, don't forget to...
Subscribe!
And if you're seeing it on Facebook, leave us a message telling us something you'd like us to try. Or feel free to send us delicious dog treats.
Yummy, 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 yummy.